Football from Yard, the People's Channel.
Bless up Football from Yard Massive. The Reggae Girls had a tremendous boost to their World Cup qualifying campaign with a 1-0 win over host Mexico in the opening encounter of their World Cup qualifying group. Leading striker Khadija Bunny Shaw was once again on the score sheet to help the girls secure 3 valuable points. The win places Jamaica at the top of the group with the USA, who defeated Haiti 3-0 in their opening encounter. Since 2 teams from the group automatically qualify for the World Cup, Jamaica should feel very good about its start to the tournament. Coach Lorne Donaldson prepared the team for qualifiers with a multi-week training camp in Colorado. Training at a higher altitude than Monterrey, Mexico paid dividends, as the team looked physically more prepared for the conditions than any national senior or junior team that has previously played in Mexico. For his starting lineup, Donaldson used a mixture of old faithfuls from the prior World Cup campaign and some new faces. Tottenham goalkeeper Rebecca Spencer started in goal. The veteran and former England youth international had joined the team last year. The defensive line was marshalled by the Swaby sisters, Alison and Chantel. Denisha Blackwood, aka Den Den, was at left back, and Tierney Wilshire was at right back. World Cup goalscorer Havana Salone started in the middle of the park with Drew Spence, who recently signed to Tottenham after a long career at Chelsea. UK-based Atlanta Primus, the daughter of former Portsmouth defender Linvoy Primus, played in a more advanced role. 2 20-year-olds ran the flanks, speedster Jodie Brown on the right, and Leicester City attacker Paige Bailey-Gayle on the left. Khadija Bunny Shaw led the attack from the centre-forward position. Mexico dominated possession, but Jamaica looked dangerous from the start, with Jodie Brown's speed in particular causing a lot of problems. Jamaica secured the lone goal of the match in the 8th minute as Khadija Shaw rose to head a free kick into the back of the net. Jamaica should have been 2-0 up at the break, but Havana Salone missed a penalty after a handball in the box. The second half was much of the same, with Brown's pace continuing to cause problems. Both Shaw and Brown had breakaway chances, but were unable to convert. 1-0 though was enough, as the midfield remained combative, Drew Spence in particular, and the backline held strong. Goalkeeper Spencer was always equal to the task and had a very good command of her box. Coach Donaldson, while happy for 3 points, will need to keep the team level-headed as there's still a lot of work to do. That includes the hardest game of the group, a July 7th match against the United States. The USA, as always, has a strong team, but the US is also going through a transition away from some of its veterans to a new crop of youngsters. While they do look organized and the fitness level is high as usual, they aren't as creative in the final third as previous outfits, and their defenders do look vulnerable to pace, as they did against the Haitians. With 2 more group stage matches in a short number of days, and Haiti being the much better opportunity for 3 points, Coach Donaldson will have to weigh the desire for a good result against the USA versus avoiding fatigue or yellow card suspensions. Most importantly, the young ladies put the tournament on notice with their 4th of July fireworks. They plan to compete with the giants of the tournament and will not be waving the white flag regardless of the opposition. Respect as always. Linkage next time.